My family wanted a couple of Jenga games for out in the yard, so I went to town and got some 2x6s and ripped them right down the middle on the table saw. Then I sent all those pieces through the saw at 2.5 inches. Once I was done with that, I hit it with the sander. I have the Darrow sander, electric one, and then the HEPA extractor. Works real nice. I used the 80 grit Abernet, followed by the 120 grit Abernet, and I got a really nice finish on it. Then I went to the cutoff saw, cutting them off at 7.5 inches with the CMT saw blade. A nice clean cut that I got from that saw blade. As soon as I was done cutting the pieces, I sat down and eased the edges yet, take the sharpness off the end of those little blocks. Then I put on a finish coat on the little blocks. I didn't use a sanding sealer. I just used 2 coats of the Armor Seal from General Finishes. I put it on with a foam brush, and I used the vinyl gloves to protect my hands. It went pretty good. My wife kept coming out, and every time she went through, she said, "Faster, faster, faster." So eventually I got the 2 coats on, and the kids are able to play with the Jenga game out in the yard.